Hello, this is Chris Allen. I'm a coach here at CrossFit Waipi'o. This is Coach's Development Week 5 homework on scaling. So the workout I chose to pick for this was the 5 rounds for time. It's going to be 100 double unders with 10 bar muscle ups. But the stimulus here is going to be that 12 to 17 minutes. So moving into how we get to that timeline. So the first thing I did, so the double unders, I put roughly about a minute to a minute 15 to get through those. The bar muscle ups, 45 seconds up to a minute, and preferably no more than about 2 or 3, 3 sets being the max. So as far as scaling options, what I would like to see before we change the movement completely is for the intermediate is both for the double unders and the bar muscle ups. The first thing, if they're close or have those movements just not super proficient, I would want to see maybe less reps, so maybe 80 double unders instead of 100, or the bar muscle ups, maybe bringing it down to like 8 or 5. So reps first for those, and then the double unders. What I would like to see too is if they're close but maybe not quite have 80 reps, we can also do like 1 minute of double under attempts on those. And then as far as if we bring the bar muscle ups down, they still can't do that, then we could do jumping muscle ups for those for intermediate scale. For the beginners, what I would like to see instead of the double unders is bringing it down to singles. And then for the bar muscle ups, we could potentially do ring transitions or something like a ring row to a push-up, so that we're targeting similar muscle groups for those. Injury category, so I have a few different things on those. For the double unders, for instance, we had a member here that had a knee injury, and for the double unders or any jump rope, we did ropes that are like pretty much essentially tied into knots off to the side, and they're doing that in place. So I feel like that would be a good scale. Or maybe if it's a more upper body, then we could potentially do like either small plate or line hops. So that way it's still kind of mimicking that same motion. As far as the bar muscle ups, so there's a few different things, obviously depending on where the injury is at or what they're comfortable doing. I have maybe it is a row with a push press at the end, or a box dip to a push-up, a few different things, and then just case-by-case basis with the injury, seeing what they're comfortable with and what positions put them in those discomfort, and then move from there. All right. Thank you for your time.